As we dance, uh, as we dance.
Hi my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. I'm so excited to share today's hairstyles with chopsticks. I don't have chopsticks at home, so I have two pencils and a Chinese stick. I think it's called like that. It's very old, by the way. You can use a pencil instead because it's a little sharper than my brushes, but I'll suggest you to use some pencils so you'll not break your brushes. And guys, please watch this tutorial till the end because it's so fun, and because of the quarantine we all stay at home, so we want our hair up, so this is an amazing hair tutorial for every one of you. Also, if you have longer, shorter hair than mine, this one will work just as well. If you have any questions, leave me in comments down below by the length or what to do. Do you want more hairstyles like that, or hairstyles with maybe scrunchies or high up ponytails? Let me know in comments down below everything that you would like me more to share here on my YouTube channel. So let's get started with our stick hairstyles.
So we'll begin with our half up twisted hairstyle. So grab our crown section and we will twist it twice around our pencil or brush, and then you want to flip it and tuck it into the hair of the crown section, and then grabbing your second stick you want to tuck it into the hair from the crown section and into our bun as well, crisscrossing. Second one, so grab again half of our hair, this crown section, we want to twist it and leaving the ends out, we want to tuck it into the crown section and into our bun, our brush, and then you want to grab your second one, tuck it into the hair from the crown and bun as well, crisscrossing. Third one, we'll grab again crown section and we'll make with it a loose twist-on braid. We want to wrap it, and then using your brushes you want to tuck it into the hair from the bun and from the crown, and a little crisscross to fix our bun in place, like you see. Fourth one is a ponytail, so we want to grab our hair and wrap it once and then flip your brush or stick like I'm showing. Grabbing my second brush, we want to tuck it into the bun and into the hair from the crown section as well, and they're done. So our updo, we want to twist our hair from one side and bringing to opposite one, and then grabbing all your hair left, you want to twist it, hiding the ends inside of our twist like I'm showing. You want to use just a stick, it's enough. I'll use my Chinese stick, and you want to flip it through the bun created and the twist like that. Awesome, right? Now our Chinese French twist, I'll call it like that. Grab all our hair and twist it like I'm showing, hiding the ends inside of our bun like with a French twist. Then grabbing your stick, you want to tuck it into the hair from the crown and into the bun as well. And you're done. Now our last one, we want to grab all our hair and make a loose twist-on braid. Then you want to roll up your braid like that, and using our stick you want to kind of sew your hair with your stick from the crown and from your bun, and you're done.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. I know that you are loving all of these hairstyles because now they are so useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up as well, and tell me please in comments down below which one was your favorite and you'll repeat. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. But that's it for today. Love you lots. See you soon. Bye.